Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will do chapter number 2, Roman numerals. What is Roman numerals? We are well aware of the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, there are 10 digits in maths. These numerals are used in Hindu-Arabic numeral system. So, how to write number or mathematical number in Roman numerals? So, Roman used 7 basic symbols to write the number. These 7 basic symbols are 1 is written as I, and 5 is written as V, 10 is written as X, 50 is written as L, and 100 is written as C, 500 is written as D, 1000 is written as M. These are the 7 basic Roman numerals. With these 7 basic Roman numerals, we can write any type of number in Roman language. But there are some rules for writing the Roman numerals. The first is repetition of the symbol means addition. Means if any symbol is repeated, it means the number is added. For example, I. It means I stand for 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. And X. Here X is repeating 2 times, means 10 plus 10. X stand for 10. 10 plus 10, 20. One important point must be noted that a symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. 3 times से ज़्यादा हम symbol को use नहीं repeat कर सकते, and only I, X, C and M can be repeated. V, L and D can never be repeated. Rule number 2. If a symbol is smaller value is placed to the right of the symbol of the greater value means if smaller symbol greater value के right side पे आता है तो right पे आने से उसमें symbol की value add हो जाती है, और अगर left पे आता है तो left means subtraction. right पे आने से add होगा और left पर आने से smaller value उसमें subtract होगी. That is the subtraction of rule number 3. Next, rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is placed between two symbol of a greater value, then it is always subtracted from the symbol succeeding it. For example, L. L stands for 50 and X stands for 10. Here I stand for 1. Then 1 is subtracted from 10. It stands for IX stands for 9 and L stand for 50. Means 50 plus 9, that is 59. There are some examples of Roman numerals. I stand for 1. Means if we have to write 3, then 3 is written as 3 can be written as like this. And 5, for example 6. Then 6, that is 5. 5 plus 1. 6 will be written as 5 plus 1. 5 is V and 1 is stand for I. Then V I, that is 6. If we have to write 95, 95 can be written as, first we will write 100. For 100 we will take C. C stand for 100. Then subtract 10. 100 minus 10, that is 90. और सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए हमें सिंबल के लेफ्ट पर राइट करना पड़ेगा. लेफ्ट पर हम राइट करेंगे 10, क्योंकि हमने 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है तो 10 लेफ्ट पर राइट करेंगे. तो हमने C के लेफ्ट पर राइट किया X, C X. ये 90 बन गया हमारा. नेक्स्ट, क्योंकि हमने 95 बनाना है, 90 बन चुका है तो हमें 5 प्लस करना पड़ेगा इसमें, तब 95 होगा. तो 95 में 5 प्लस किया और 5 हमारा है V. तो कुछ ऐड करना है तो उसके राइट साइड पर करना पड़ता है ग्रेटर सिंबल के. तो C के राइट साइड पर हम करेंगे V. तो हमारा सिंबल बनना XCV. दैट इज रोमन न्यूमरल स्टैंड फॉर 95. There are some important points to be remember. First, symbol I can be added and subtracted only from V and X. Only V और X में ही हम ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं I को. Then symbol X can be added only L, C and M and subtracted from only L and C. Third, symbol C can be added and subtracted only from D and M. These are important points to be remembered. These are the Roman numerals. Thanks.